Hello, I'm back. Okay. Can you see this? Wait a minute. So, focus. Oh, now, can you see this chalk here? It's a got from Love's Chalk Stop. Yeah, that place. But it costs $15. I love to ram stuff into it to make it like real car wrecks, something like that. But as you can tell, but down here, you see a lot more better. I hate that car, but yeah, the model car from the last video. Go. Damn, that's bad. You don't know how bad that sounded in real life, but it was pretty bad. And oh yeah, plus I forgot to tell you, this thing here used to be the old micro chargers. They suck real bad. It don't even use call it electricity. No, something else. Oh yeah, batteries. Don't even use batteries. It just used a plug-in. I won't show you that because it's too dangerous. Next episode, show you about anything and leave a comment, please.